So we're going to take Henry Udechukwu. Henry Udechukwu. Oh, Henry is already presented. So Henry, let's have you quickly.
Good evening, marvelous parents, invited guests, the coaches and management of Tech Summer. My name is Henry Udechukwu, and I'm enrolled in the course Software Development, HTML and CSS. I chose this course because learning how to code allows you to bring out your personality on your own website, and it makes you to bring out your own opinion into the crowd. My project is a calculator. The problem it solves is that it allows students solve complicated problems quickly and in an efficient manner. Additionally, it can reduce the problem to simple tasks and allows the students to devote more time in understanding the problem. And lastly, the project makes it easier to check assignments and numbers and perform calculations such as adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing. The project took me approximately 2 days to finish it. This is my final product. I'm thanking the coach, my parents, for giving me this opportunity to have this, to be a part of this class. And I'm thanking the admin and the management for coming to our various schools to present this opportunity to us. And I will try all my possible best to keep this up, because I would like to become one of the most famous software developer. Thank you all.
Don't stop presenting. Don't stop presenting. I'm sure Mrs. Okefu has a lot of questions for you right now.
Okay, coach.
We're not even seeing where did you build this from? This is looking so beautiful. Thank you for your presentation, by the way. Let me not just keep.
Well done, Henry. Well done, Henry.
Thank you.
I found this great. So can you do something for us to take a look at? Do percentage now, bros. Okay, so how old are you, Henry?
I'm 15 years.
You're 15 years old. Congratulations, well done. So what was that thing that you learned about yourself whilst you went through this project?
I learned that no matter the way I try, I mustn't stop. I must keep pushing.
Stop. Fabulous. Now, what support do you think you would have got if you had gotten this particular support? What is that thing that you would have gotten that would have made you do so much more than you were able to achieve?
I will actually say the support I needed was my sister's support.
Your sister?
Support. Yes, good. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And to keep on developing my memory on this kind of text.
I love it. I like it. I like how you took ownership of this. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Have you had experience in the area of coding before now?
Yes, coach, but not that well.
Okay. And you learned about HTML and CSS?
Actually, Python.
Before now?
Yes, coach.
Okay, you had Python experience, and then for Tech Summer 22, you learned what?
HTML and CSS.
HTML and CSS. So you build this calculator using your Python skills or using your HTML and CSS skills?
Using my HTML and CSS.
Okay. We didn't see your code. We didn't see, not like we would understand it anyways, but you have at least shown us now. This is where it was from, and then this is down the final product. You just took us straight to the final product.
Okay, a minute.
All right. So maybe you were presenting already. I would have allowed someone else to do that.
Here's the source of my calculator.
Okay. So you did this yourself.
Yes, good. And here is what I used to decorate the calculator.
And this is what
I used to decorate the calculator.
Okay. Is this HTML or CSS?
This is a CSS program.
Okay.
Yes, good.
Oh, so you built the calculator using HTML and decorated it using CSS. Interesting. Please, everybody, let's give it up for Henry. Everybody, come on, you know how to do it. Everybody, right now, give it up for Henry. Thank you so much for that beautiful presentation.